I am an aircraft mechanic. You would not see us in recruitment posters. You would not see us in military movies, nor on the news as cruise rescues a person in the strife or drop disaster relief goods. Those kudos are for the pilots and crews. I am an aircraft mechanic. We are the unseen. The people whom with grease, oil, and hydraulic fluid coated clothes spend the entire night getting a down or null full mission capable aircraft ready to fly to meet the flight schedule fully mission capable. I am an aircraft mechanic. Strange enough, pilots know our name but not our faces. As pilots and crew slept in their beds, we work with the flashlight clutch in our teeth so we can use both our hands. Busted knuckles, safety wire gauged arms, we walk through the night. The morning comes, the crews looks through the maintenance record for the aircraft they are about to sign for seeing a plethora of grapes fixed or repaired. I am an aircraft mechanic. Lastly, if the flight schedule starts early enough, you get to see your hard work pay off. APU online, navigation and smack lights on, GPS and computers booting up, flight control checks smooth and good, engines roar to life. There is a scent. Yeah, it's JB5 exhaust. The pilot nods his head and gets taxied out, exhausted and ready to hit the hay. But you stay to watch them get airborne. Yeah, I am an aircraft mechanic.